Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're about to show you this. It's Dreo's best and brightest new portable space heater. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It's a PTC fan heater with motion sensor. That's right, this is the first one with the motion sensor, which is a great addition. This is one of the quietest space heaters. Now we're on its full power, and it's running under 50 decibels. Now, if you think about it, most people speak over 70 decibels, and ambient room noise is about 48, 49. So this thing is practically silent. All right, so that's a great addition. On top of that, it runs super hot, 278 degrees currently, and still warming up. Max 278 is what I'm getting right now. And I've done a lot of space heaters, and that's about as hot as they get. So on top of all that, it's got great and easy buttons to use. And let's test it to see if it's safe. If it tips over, it immediately shuts off. That's a nice addition and sounds an alarm for you, so you know that it's tipped over, and you know you need to check on it. So that alarm is nice. Now, with all of that, it does come with a remote control. The remote control has power on and off, up and down for temperature, has the timer, the oscillation, and all the different menus and things of the sort. And this is just a nice product. You can see it completely shut down just because of the tipping, and now that's back up, we can turn it back on. All right, I gotta show you the oscillation feature. Now, Dreo is one of those companies that's been in business for a long while, and they are fantastic. So I love so many different aspects of this. You can set it to motion detection. You can adjust the heat temperature. You can do so much with it at a touch of a button. I love that the menus on top here are easy to read. You can get rid of the beeping noise when you use it. You can change the temperature. You can adjust it to see the actual temperature. Turn on and off the rotation, and look at this. You can adjust how long it runs for just at a push of a button. Also available on the remote control. 12 hours you can run it. All right, folks. This is a really fantastic device. Easy on and off, safety features, it'll time down, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a space heater that is super hot, tested, tried and true, well, guess what? This thing is the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. See, it's still warming up over 300 degrees currently and still getting hotter. It also, we're gonna show you, has a fan to where it's blowing air at a pretty good rate, over 4 mph. And that is great for a space heater. You don't get that kind of circulation. So if you say you work at a job where it gets cool in your office, put this right at your feet, and all the safety features are going to make it fantastic for you. On top of all of that, this thing is wildly energy efficient, durable, sturdy, and from a reputable company. Do not get your space heaters from a non-reputable company. All right, folks, my name is Adam. I absolutely love this. Thanks again for watching. This is a great quality, great product, great brand. I love it, and I know you're going to love it as well. All right, folks. Again, thanks again for watching. I appreciate all of you. I know I sound like a broken record, but you're the reason I do this, and we only show you elite products, and this is the best of the best, which allows you to forget the rest. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye, friends.